Mother truckers, can you guys imagine? We're here at a truck show, and Embark brings their self-driving truck to teach truck drivers how they're going to lose their job. You know, I think that's crazy that they would be here just to educate truck drivers of their future of a truck without a truck driver in it. What are your thoughts about that? Are you for it or against it, mother truckers? Comment down below.